In the heart of our homes, we face an unseen challenge lurking within our daily meal scraps and yard clippings, the escalating problem of organic waste. Each year, these remnants accumulate in landfills, contributing to an invisible crisis beneath the soil. The release of methane, a potent greenhouse gas, marks the silent fallout of these improperly disposed materials, intensifying the planet's environmental woes. Despite these unsettling truths, a web of misconceptions about composting, a time-honored practice now a modern necessity, persists. Many view it as overly complex and out of reach. Yet, is this apprehension based on fact or merely a lack of clear information? This segment aims not to dismay, but to enlighten, offering a solution within our grasp. As we explore the narrative of sustainability, it becomes clear that the power for change resides in the everyday choices we make. Composting, as you'll soon discover, transforms our organic waste dilemma into a potent opportunity for action. Transitioning from the perplexities of organic waste, we find a beacon of hope on our path to sustainability: composting. This practice not only addresses the issue of kitchen and yard waste, but also represents a chance for environmental regeneration. Envision your kitchen leftovers, rather than contributing to the growing landfill problem, nourishing a life cycle in your own backyard. Composting allows our organic waste to serve a greater purpose for our gardens, our planet, and future generations. The benefits extend further, enriching the soil, conserving moisture, and mitigating greenhouse gas emissions, embodying the principle that from small beginnings, significant impacts can arise. Embarking on your composting journey is simpler than it appears. It begins with selecting a location for your compost bin and combining kitchen scraps, yard waste, and a bit of patience. This process culminates in the creation of nutrient-rich soil, revitalizing your garden. As we delve into the benefits and transformative outcomes of composting, let's remember that each small step is a stride toward environmental stewardship. Your decision to compost cultivates a healthier planet, illuminating the path for others to follow. By choosing to compost, you're not just contributing to a circular ecosystem, you're enhancing the very foundation of your garden. This act of turning kitchen scraps into a resource brings manifold rewards, nourishing the earth and your garden with equal vigor. Witnessing your garden flourish from the compost you produce is a testament to the cycle of life, turning what was once waste into a garden's treasure. Utilizing compost closes the loop on organic waste, turning perceived trash into a treasure trove of nutrients that revitalizes plants, blooms, and crops. This natural cycle enhances your garden's beauty and yield, proving the transformative power of composting. Imagine the collective impact if we all undertook this journey. By sharing our knowledge and experiences, we encourage a community-wide shift towards composting. Let's mobilize to diminish waste and rejuvenate our planet, crafting a legacy of vitality for future generations. Composting goes beyond waste reduction. It's a testament to creating lasting life and nourishment.